Sorry about my video. I apologize. So we're going to put those 2 quesadillas in the toaster oven. And yes, it's actually a part 2. So we're going to put those 2 toaster or quesadillas in there. And we're going to check this. So I'm going to put like 1 minute and 30 minutes. And we are going to lighten up and wait for about like 1 minute and 30 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video and reminded you that it has been 1 minute and... Hold on 1 second, guys. So it has been like 1 minute and 30 minutes, and check it out. You can see those brown stuff a little bit. It's actually very okay. So, yeah. Notice, it's okay, little guy. Well, big fella, though. Okay, so let's check it out and see how much test level of a cheese is. Oh my goodness, check it out. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to test it. It tastes okay, but it needs to warm up a little bit because of a cheese. So, I'm going to give this a quesadilla of... Hey, boys. Boys, calm down. Calm down. You want one too, boy? Okay, you can have one. One, but that's it. I'm feeding my dog a little bit of quesadilla, but it's not actually very healthy to dogs though, but I'm just giving this one to Otis stuff. So, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you love quesadillas in a toaster in the oven, that is so very helpful for you guys. Thank you. You all have a good time. And happy Friday.